Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to see who's live on Facebook. First, let's go into the app. Then you want to select the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner. Then you will see live videos. Simply select that. And then you can see who's live from there, live from notifications. And you can also select following, meaning who's live that you're following. As you can see, there's no one currently live that I'm following. You can also select for you, in which the algorithm will select videos that it thinks you will like, persons that are live that it thinks you will like. You can see right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.